Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can you go to jail for a Capias warrant? The short answer is yes, absolutely, and it happens every single day. A Capias warrant is a serious court order, and ignoring it is one of the quickest ways to see the inside of a jail cell, often at the worst possible time. So, what exactly is a Capias? The name comes from a Latin word meaning to seize. It's a direct order from a judge to law enforcement to find you, arrest you, and bring you before the court. Unlike a typical arrest warrant for a new crime, a Capias is usually issued because you failed to do something the court already told you to do. Let's break down the most common reasons a judge will issue one. First, and most common, is a failure to appear. You got a traffic ticket, a citation for a misdemeanor, or were scheduled for a court hearing, and you just didn't show up. The judge takes that as a direct sign of disrespect for the court's authority, so they issue a Capias to compel your appearance. The second major reason is failure to pay. The court ordered you to pay a fine, court costs, or restitution to a victim, and you missed the deadline without making any arrangements. The judge can issue a Capias to bring you in and demand to know why you haven't paid. A third reason is failure to comply with a court order. This could mean you violated your probation, didn't complete a required class like a DUI school or anger management, or failed to perform your community service hours. So, what happens when there's a Capias out for your arrest? It gets entered into a statewide and sometimes national law enforcement database. This means any police officer who runs your name for any reason will see it. Imagine you get pulled over for a broken taillight or a minor speeding violation. The officer asks for your license, goes back to their car, and runs your name. The warrant pops up. At that point, the officer has no choice. They are legally required to execute the judge's order. They will ask you to step out of the car, place you in handcuffs, and take you to the county jail. You won't be able to just sign a ticket and go home. You will be booked, fingerprinted, and held until you can be brought before a judge. This could be a few hours, or, if it's a Friday night, it could be until Monday morning. When you finally see the judge, they are not going to be happy. You've already ignored one of their orders. The judge will address the original issue, the ticket, the fine, the missed class, and they will also address your failure to appear. They might set a bond you have to pay to get out, or they could even decide to hold you in jail until your case is resolved. The key takeaway is this: a Capias warrant doesn't just go away. It will hang over your head until it's dealt with. If you think you might have a Capias, the smartest thing to do is contact an attorney immediately. A lawyer can often file a motion to withdraw or quash the warrant and get you a new court date, potentially allowing you to avoid being arrested altogether. Never just hope it will disappear. Thank you for watching. We hope this information was helpful and cleared up some confusion about this serious legal issue. If you got any value from this video, please consider hitting that like button.